In this video, I'll be showing you how to record an Instagram story without holding it. Let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, you're gonna click the plus button in your profile icon. Just click that, and after that, you should just swipe right, the one that says normal boomerang, until you find the hands-free. Just click that. After you click it one more time, it's gonna record it by itself. And if you want to stop it, just click in the middle, the rectangle, just click that and it should stop it. Okay, just click that one. Now all you're gonna do is just click send to. Now I can't send this to my friends, or I can't post this on my story. And this how you do, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. And if this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.